Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's Homebody Leisha, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing another fun DIY painting. I don't know what it is. I've been in such a, I think I'm a paint girl. Who knows what's going on? But as I always tell you guys to shop your home first. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. Because I had this TV stand. I did not care for the original look of it. So I figure I can just paint it a different color. Make it more, appealing to what I have going on now in the living room. My decor type of style. And I really think it's going to look really nice. So as you guys see that I'm putting that white coat on here. And I'm using my favorite paint, which is the Rust-Oleum. I'll make sure I link it below. And I'm just going to go in, I'm going to just touch this up, and I'm really loving how it's coming together. And I just have so many big plans for the living room, and honestly, just changing our entire space. As a woman, sometimes we really love to switch out our living room, and I'm one of those, I definitely switch out month to month. If I get bored, I am switching things around, and that's what it's all about, right? So that's exactly what you guys will see me doing here. And then also, you guys definitely get to see what I plan on doing next in this living room. But I'll let you guys enjoy the video. And if you have not had the opportunity to subscribe, please do so now. Like, comment. Now let's get into the video.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option, I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my
everything. Once we get the stud find, then we'll be able to know what all the wood studs is in the wall. But I would do 25 inches on each side. 25 inches should be more than enough, I would hope.
3, but if that's going to be too much weight on that,
you know what you're gonna put on the shelf?
Wall, they're going to be small. It's not going to be too heavy. But I want to be able to space a few things out.
Okay. One thing though, when it comes to over here, it depends on where the stud is when it comes to the outlet. Because if the first stud is over here, then that's probably going to be the wires for the outlet. I can't drill into that because if I hit a wire, that can show that whole house. Right. But that's what I'm saying, baby. So with this starting here, though, you think it would be safe? Well, we want to know to the stud. Just all depends on where the stud is in the wall.
High. And then I'm not sure exactly how many inches under, but the second shelf maybe could be along like this high. And then the third one could be like, you know what I'm saying, like right there.
Well, if you're gonna stay with stuff like this, then probably 12 inches should be good.
The one that'll be all the way across the top though, will that run from wall to wall?
It'll be up here. I don't know if that'll fit books. Two 25 inch shelves, and then the top shelf you run above the TV. You can do it like that too.
Oh, like right over the TV. That'll look nice.
Well, not right over it, but instead of starting the top shelf here, maybe start it here. Maybe go 6 inches higher. So you still have space for like books and stuff if you want to put it over the TV. and then whatever you want to put over here, and then come down 12 inches about here, and another 12 about here. So you have 4 25-inch shelves, 2 on each side, and then you have 1 long shelf going across the top.
So I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna make so many different changes in a matter of months. So if you guys love home decor, you love house to home updates, you definitely want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and yeah, because it's about to get real lit.